Hi guys, welcome to Dev Advice Land. If you are here, probably you had also faced the issue of generating some PDF document in real time on your web app. Well, we are here to help you. Feel safe, you are not alone, and we are going to solve this mystery step by step. The following code will also work from any Angular starting from the second one. First of all, we will generate simple Angular app using CLI command. Project is ready. Now let's open it in VS Code. You may use any editor you want. So we open in source folder, app, and looking at our basic component. We had some prepared HTML and CSS for you. That's why we just copy them from our snippets. You may find all the materials in the article linked you find below the video. So now we're serving the server to watch what do we have now. You see, our app is ready. We imagine that we have this type of content and we want to place it to some PDF document. Now let's install the most important tool that will actually do the whole work. We will use an external library called html2pdf.js. We will install it with the following command. We will import everything as html2pdf from our newly installed library. Then we have to add a button. And write a method for this button. First of all, we have to describe an option or options. It will be an object with these fields: file name, the resulting file, then image type, type of image, the type of image in which will be converted the content of your HTML page. You may choose any other type of image if you want. Also, HTML to canvas option. We will describe this option later. Just leave it for now. And JS PDF. For now, we will use just orientation type. It will be landscape. Now we have to trigger the content that will be actually exported to PDF. We will use the selector by ID in our page. Finding the selector, copying, and pasting it. Then we have to write the library method. This simple instruction will help us to get the block and create described PDF. Now we're binding the button to our method and watching the results. Here we are, and our document is ready.